As the newly elected chairman of the Regional Peace and Order Council, I have been given a bigger role to play, and I would like to integrate efforts of all leaders of the region. Pinaulot ko po nangyari noong isang gabi na binaril ang ating mayor sa Agno, Mayor Art Cabanta. Mayroon din pong namatay noon sa mga nakarang buwan na konsyal natin sa Ottawa. Isa rin po natin konsyal sa Binaunan, sinating konsyal sa San Quintin. Pinulong ko ito ng labis dahil mga politiko ang mga namamatay na habang nagdiriwang ang ating mga mamamayan sa kanayunan, sa ating mamalayong mga barangay dahil sa katahimikan na mamayani sa ating probinsya, mga politiko naman. Ginagawa po namin ngayon ay pinapahanap po namin kung sino ito ating probinsya mga inupahan na maging RQ. At binabantayan po namin ang ating mga kasamahan at mga kaibigan na mahilig po rin mag-hire ng mga tao.
A preventive measure and not incentives or reaction is what the provincial government should do regarding these extrajudicial killings and making the politicians endangered species in the province of Pangasinan. Provincial Board member Attorney Alfonso Bince, in his privileged speech last Monday, has posed challenge for Governor Amado Espino Jr. and has tainted his being a former medalled military official for not able to establish these preventive measures in the rising number of political killings in the province. Bince made it clear that though these killings did not happen during Espino's term, they should have at least disbanded these guns for hire.
Well, indeed, he has made tremendous efforts at physical and attitudinal transformation. Unfortunately, to live happily in one place would mean a safe, peaceful, and tranquil climate. There are a number of killings lately, and so I said that this appears to be a challenge to the governor, considering his background as a medalled military man, why apparently public officials are being targeted. It appears that public officials, particularly politicians, are endangered species in Pangasinan. Perhaps it's high time that bold steps should be taken, not reaction, but possibly preventive measures. I also challenge the provincial director, provincial chief superintendent Sagadi Neris, to do something with him this year. There are a number of unresolved killings, extrajudicial killings, which have not been resolved. And as I said, this ultimatum to December, otherwise I think he should take stock of his capability and perhaps he should go as provincial director.
Bince have also stressed in clarification that he has admired the physical transformation made by Governor Espino in the provincial capital. In addition to this, Bince has also challenged the provincial PNP director Izagani Neres to resign if he will not be able to solve these cases before the year ends. Bringing you facts, Janice Hidalgo reporting.